Okay, so right now we're inside this hourly Sibi. We rebalanced into this hourly Bissy here, and we started placing higher. So I just marked out the draws on both ES and NQ. ES is taking out this high here, but we haven't on the NQ, so we're putting that bearish SMT inside of that Sibi. It's pretty much the same thing on the lower time frame. So right now we're let's have a rebalance this 5 minute gap maybe potentially. So we're getting displacement lower. We had NFP previously. We don't have it later on in the evening. And we have PMI at 10. Marco openly put into bullish SMT with this internal total sweep as well, and we just placed 98 points. So we have good volatility. Right now, I just want to see some displacement out of this range. But if I don't catch an entry before like 50-ish past, 50 to 51 latest, then I won't be trading today. But just because of the news that we have. But we'll see. We are displacing away from this bearish SMT that we put in. We have this SMT here as well. So we have this little order block here. If we rebalance into, and we're just placing away from. This looks really high resistance right now. So yeah, which is why I want to see this placement out of the range at macro open. But again, we'll just have to see. And I've also marked out these draws that we have lower. So we have draws higher and lower. But ideally, I'd like to see what price does inside of this large BSC that we put in here. Rebalancing into this sell side here. And we've also taken these lows with bullish S&T. But again, I will not be trading unless we get this placement out of this consolidation that we have here. So Vinverse has to be there, of course. And we have rebalance into those wicks. And we have this buy side here. Could maybe short now. Base of displacement, but we're still in this consolidation. I do not want to get caught up in it. Shorts there would have been nice, so it looks like. Just lots above here. 1 to 1. It's probably going to get hit in that one candle. Or two candle anyway. So what have we done? We've rebalanced into these wicks now. I just want to see how price reacts to that. Okay, we're getting displacement now. Past this SMT. tapped into that inverse for value get there. If we just place beneath this low here, I will be looking for shorts. Something like that maybe. I'm in shorts here.
Order filled.
What stops above here? And just target 1-to-1. Okay, I'm not liking that rejection we're getting, but I do think that price is bearish. But again, let's see. Oh, I did not realize, but we do have SMT here. Ah, shit. But if price is truly bearish, then this shouldn't hold and we get this placement lower. Oh, one candle TP.
Order filled.
Nice. Well, I don't know what that candle was, but it seems like we are truly bearish. So, I mean, it's not a bad day. Yeah, I entered before 50 past, which is ideal because we do have 10 a.m. news as well. So my confluence is there. So going into pre-macro, we took out these highs. We put in this bearish SMT and we kept wicking, taking out these highs or manipulating these highs multiple times, which was a tell that we wanted to go lower. We did inverse this BC. So I'm sure a lot of people here, we would have entered longs here, but really it was just they got manipulated because we respected these wicks. We did not completely get a change in state or break structure, whatever you want to call it. So we tapped into the sea of these wicks and inverse this BC here with speed. And then my thought process there is ideally I'd like to see a retracement. And we tapped into this inverse, had the change in state of delivery with speed as well. And then we saw some speed. And this SMT here, the reason why I didn't hold is because my narrative was correct, which is why I wasn't too scared. And my thought process was that if we use this SMT to rebalance and then displace, which we did here. We rebalanced into 2 candle civvy and then we just dumped. So thanks for watching.